Tesla has just unveiled a slide showcasing 3 new electric vehicles, sparking curiosity and speculation about their upcoming lineup. Recently, Tesla updated its product roadmap, revealing plans for new electric vehicles. CEO Elon Musk confirmed that only the new Robotaxi, codenamed NV93, will use the new unboxed platform. To replace the halted NV91 and NV92 projects, Tesla plans to introduce more affordable models. These vehicles will be based on the Model 3 and Model Y, but with fewer premium features, resulting in a lower price. The new slide has raised questions. Observers speculate that one of the covered vehicles might be a van based on its shape. However, these renders can be generic, so it's hard to be certain. As one commenter noted, trying to read the tea leaves based on graphics like this is a useless endeavor. A significant question remains: where is the new Roadster? Elon Musk recently mentioned an updated version would be revealed later this year, with production next year. However, given past delays, this timeline is uncertain. Stay tuned for more updates on Tesla's evolving lineup.